We were sent this modern cat tree, so I gave it to our neighbor whose cat we just adore, and she and her son were able to put the whole thing together pretty easily, just following directions. She did say when it arrived there were a couple pieces that were either broken or missing, so just make sure you inspect everything because that can happen in shipping. But even with that, she was able to put the whole thing together and it wasn't a huge impact. So she said it didn't take too long, which is great. And here is what it looks like when it's done. You can see the cat is already enjoying it. I love how modern it looks and so beautiful with the solid wood design. The clear transparent hammocks are really nice. This is just a super fun play center for any cat. And this cat named Trigo absolutely loves it, has made himself right at home on it. This is great for one cat to play on or a whole family of cats. The wood is very sturdy and durable, and you can even wipe it down to clean it all when you're done. The scratching post is made of an all-natural sisal rope, which is great as well. So our neighbor's cat Trigo absolutely is loving it, and I think your cat or cats are going to love it as well.